In the city of Shenzhen, a 6-meter-tall bronze statue of Deng Xiaoping towers over Lianhua Shan Park. It's a monument to a policy that would change China forever, the reform and opening up. In early 1992, Deng undertook a tour of southern China. The comments he made during that trip launched a deepening and speeding up of China's reforms. When, 20 years later, Xi Jinping first toured the country as CPC General Secretary, he made Shenzhen his first stop. He laid a floral tribute in front of the statue of Deng Xiaoping and planted a council tree. In commemorating a time when China had been starting to make rapid progress, he was signaling another fresh beginning. China was about to write a new chapter in the history of reform and opening up.